And then that's what I'm going to caulk all along there. Rolled it up right over the top. Extra flashing. New piece of 1x2. Need to tar that. One more piece of drip edge. Really made a big mess. More to add to the pile, I guess. This did not get caulked. Ran out of plastic roof. But everything else is done. Nail heads up in the corner. I'm thinking it may need another coat. And this, I'd say it's pretty watertight. I hope. 4 o'clock. I guess I'll spend the next hour cleaning up. Have to start that arbor tomorrow. I didn't get it all cleaned up, but it's got a good start. There's yellow wood. The deal is with the yellow wood, you gotta wait 2 weeks till you paint it, so it dries out a little bit. And looks like we're gonna start another scrap pile. Not really sure where else to put it. But it's 5 o'clock, and I got a band practice tonight, so I gotta get out of here. Call you tomorrow.